sensitive period can be said to be blocks of time in a child's life when they are able to learn a skill almost effortlessly. So basically what we mean by this is that when a child is going through a sensitive period, they are more inclined towards those kind of activities, or they have those kind of interests which help in the development of that particular sensitive period, and they're able to acquire those skills with minimal effort. So that might sound to you like the bookish definition, right? But what does it mean for us parents? So for example, a lot of parents, they ask me, my child, since the time he started walking, he does not sit down. How can I make him learn? How can I do activities when he's not even ready to sit down and do anything? So that's what it is. He's going through the sensitive period of movement, right? And that's when the child is working on his body control, on his stamina. So if your child has recently started walking, or whenever they started walking, you must have noticed they almost walk all day long without getting tired. And you as a parent might feel, oh, he should sit down, he'll get tired. But no, your child is working on that stamina at that point of time, right? So that's what it is.